I'm Samantha Rain, Development Chef here at Henley Bridge, and in this video we're going to go through how we can add texture to our chocolate bars. Please see the video description section to find all the details of all the tools and ingredients I've used in this video. In terms of adding texture to our chocolate bars, take a look at the website and see all of the options available. First, we need to temper our chocolate. If you're unsure of the tempering process, please refer to our other videos on tempering chocolate. When we're adding texture to our bars, it's important to think about the final result before we start. For example, if we put the inclusions directly into the mould and put chocolate on the back, those pieces will be exposed and you'll have a more rustic final finish. If we incorporate the pieces throughout the chocolate, you're going to have a shiny finish with all the crunchy pieces inside. If you are placing them directly into the mould, they'll need to be a wet-proof or a fat-coated product. Because it's going to be exposed to moisture, we need to make sure those pieces don't go soggy. As I'm using a wet-proof crispy and a fat-coated shortbread piece, I'm going to place my crispy pieces directly into the mould for that rustic look. Now all my crispies are in the mould, I'm going to take my pre-tempered chocolate and I'm going to pipe the chocolate directly onto the back. But because I want that rustic look and feel, when we come to tap out the air bubbles, it's just going to be really gently. We now need to allow this time to set, fully crystallise and contract away from the mould for us to be able to turn them out. We're going to place it in the fridge for 30 minutes, then we're going to leave it at room temperature for an hour and a half.